Beurre blanc, yeah. Beurre means butter, blanc means white. So they're referring to white wine. So it's a butter white wine, literal translation. This is your sauce. It's an amazing sauce. It's a very, very easy sauce to mess up. But there's a couple things you need to be aware of. One of them is understanding what an emulsification is. And don't let that word scare you. It just means two things that don't go together. Go together. For example, you go to Safeway or Sprouts and you want some vinaigrette for your salad. You go and maybe you find Newman's Own, right, Paul Newman's company, and you take out the balsamic vinaigrette. You just take it right off the shelf. What does it look like? Oil on top and vinegar on the bottom. Typically it's 3 to 1. 3 parts oil, 1 part vinegar. That's the ratio of a general vinaigrette. Okay? And what do you do before you put on your salad? You are emulsifying. That's what that is. You are putting together two things that don't normally get to go together. So you're shaking them up. And the reason that works is fat molecules are very large. Water, vinegar molecules are very small, so they tend to segregate just naturally. But by shaking them up, you're breaking up the fat molecules, incorporating the vinegar ones in between, and you have now a temporary emulsion. Because over time, the next time you take your vinaigrette out of the fridge, what happened? It's separated again. So you shake it up, you emulsify your vinaigrette, and you put it over your salad, and then it's balanced in your mouth. If you just have oil and vinegar separately, it'll still work, but it's going to feel different in your mouth when you do it. Butter is an emulsification. Milk is an emulsification. Ice cream is an emulsification. Meatloaf is an emulsification. Sausages are an emulsification. Okay, two things that don't normally go together. Water and fat, typically, those things. All you're doing when you make a beurre blanc is taking this cold butter that's emulsified and bringing it, so here's cold butter that's emulsified up here. Okay? And as you add heat, it melts. Now it's melted. And what's on the top when you melt it?
It's a hard angle.
When you melt butter, how does it, what floats to the top? The fat. Then the solid is on the bottom is the milk solids, and then the clarified butter comes up to the top, right?